Hi, welcome to Mooch Exterior Designs and our Container Planting 101 YouTube video. What we're going to talk about today is making it easy and beautiful container plants. As witnessed by all the way around us, we have all these beautiful container plants on the front porch of our business, which by the way is a design build business. We do landscaping. We also formerly owned a plant nursery and we do large scale projects. But a nice part of large-scale projects is you embellish the project after you're done by doing beautiful container plants, as you can see here. Now you might look at these plants and say, oh my God, that's so much work. I don't know how I would manage all that. But by what I'm going to show you, all of this is self-contained on a timed irrigation system that makes it super simple and easy to have container plants thrive in your landscape. So check it out. What we're going to do here is Container Plant 101. These plants consist of about $15 in plant materials, maybe $2 worth of soil and some decorative stone to insulate the soil and also make it pretty. So the way that we make this easy is by installing irrigation into the plant. You always have your hole for drainage in the bottom of a plant. So we poke our hole in the bottom, run our micro irrigation tubing through the bottom, and leave it long on the top. You take your potting soil that you can get at any big box store. Preferably you'll buy local and hit a local nursery, because local nurseries need your money a lot more than Home Depot and Lowe's. Yeah, I said it. All right, so you fill your pot up about halfway with soil, and you tamp it down a little bit, and then you want to do sort of depth and texture when you do your plants. So the taller stuff could be in the back, or if it's not going to have a back or be against a wall, you could put your specimen plant or your prettiest plant right in the middle, and you take your plant and you just kind of work it around like this and break up the soil, and you very gently lift it out of your pot, break up your soil, put it in like that. Do the same thing throughout the rest of it. That goes in there, like that. Then you might have a trailing plant that kind of comes over the front. When your roots are bound like that, you want to break them up a little bit to initiate new growth. You kind of just stuff that in there like that. See how that's coming together nicely? Now these little guys you're not going to see very much, so you want to make sure that they're in the front where everyone can see them, like this. And like this. So I mean, seriously, what did that take? Less than a minute and you've got a beautiful arrangement. What you want to do after that is use your pot for a scooper, and you want to gently fill in the soil around it like this so that it's completely full of soil. Super simple. Just kind of dust off your edge like this. And then with regards to the irrigation, you pull your hose through here like this so that you don't see it anymore. And you take a simple head emitter and you plug it into the end. So this is a 1/4 inch irrigation hose with a 5-cent emitter in there. And you pull it down in here so you don't see it anymore. And then you hook it up to your timed irrigation system and you don't see it. We're going to be doing timed irrigation in our video number 2, which we can show you how to hook up an irrigation system to your hose bib at a very low cost. It'll get all of your pots on a timer. You can go on vacation for a month in Bali and come back and everything's going to be thriving. So now you've got your pot and it's done. To keep the soil cool and from baking and drying out too fast, you can put these stones on top like so. It also adds a nice colorful embellishment. That's it. Container Planting 101, Mooch Exterior Designs, San Diego, California. Check us out on the web, send us an email, get in touch, and if you don't get in touch, get out there and do some container planting for yourself. Have a great day.